Most guys assume male models were just born that way. They weren't. And the guys you see in Calvin Klein or Zara campaigns started somewhere much closer to average than you'd think. And what separated them was 4 specific things most men never bother with. Your body is the foundation everything else sits on, and no amount of grooming fixes a weak frame. The male model physique has nothing to do with being huge, and everything to do with being lean with width at the top. Broad shoulders, developed traps, a visible neck, and a body fat percentage low enough that your face actually reads sharp. That combination is what makes a jawline look stronger, a face look more defined, and clothes fall the way they do in campaign photos. 3 movements cover most of it: pull-ups for width, overhead press for shoulder roundness, and shrugs for your traps. Run those 3 times a week without missing, and within 3 months your silhouette changes in a way people notice. Get your body fat below 15% and watch what happens to your face. Features that read soft become defined, and that has nothing to do with genetics. That's just body composition doing its job. The face is where most guys leave the most points on the table, and none of what works here requires surgery. Your bone structure is fixed, but how it reads is not. Tongue posture is the first one, and most guys have never heard of it. Rest your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth throughout the day, and over months it contributes to jaw definition in a way that compounds quietly. Chewing hard foods like apples, carrots or gum develops the master muscle along the jaw and adds more shape to the lower face. And getting your body fat low enough that your cheekbones actually surface, because they're already there, just buried. For skin, the routine is simpler than most guys make it. Wash with a gentle cleanser, morning and night, use SPF 30 or higher every morning without skipping, and add retinol 3 nights a week after the first month. If acne is a consistent problem, cut dairy for 30 days. Most guys clear up 70% of their breakouts with that one change alone, and nothing else they tried came close. Teeth matter more than people admit. Get them straightened if they're crooked, get them whitened if they're yellow, and neither of those things is vanity, they're maintenance. Pull up the editorial campaigns for brands like COS, Arca or Massimo Dutti and look at what the models are actually wearing. Almost every time it's simple, well fitted and monochromatic, with nothing competing for attention. Tapered trousers, plain fitted shirts, clean leather shoes or white sneakers, that combination covers 90% of the formula. Fit is the non-negotiable part of all of it. Clothes that fit a lean frame look expensive no matter what they cost, and clothes that don't fit look bad regardless of the brand on the label. One good pair of boots, one pair of clean white sneakers, and one pair of leather shoes rotated across situations covers almost everything. Iron everything you own. Wrinkles are the fastest way to undercut an otherwise solid outfit, and it takes 3 minutes. Nobody talks about this phase, and it's the reason some guys look like models in plain clothes, while others wearing better outfits go completely unnoticed. Posture accounts for most of it. Chest up, shoulders back and down, chin parallel to the floor, and that position alone changes how you photograph, how clothes read on your body, and how people perceive you when you walk into a room. Walk slower than you feel like you need to, because most guys move with a kind of urgency that reads as anxious, and slowing it down slightly shifts how the space around you feels. Make eye contact when you talk to people. Keep your hands out of your pockets when you're standing still. These things sound minor in isolation, but they stack into the overall impression you leave. And that impression is what people carry with them after you're gone. None of these 4 phases require anything extreme. They just require you to actually do them. Start with phase 1 this week, build for 90 days, and come back and tell me what changed. Subscribe, I post these every week, and drop a comment with where you're starting from.